Knowing all the important air conditioner parts and where to find the unit nameplate is key when you want to fix or maintain your AC without pulling your hair out. So, the nameplate on your AC unit is usually stuck right on the outside part called the condenser, often near where the electrical connections are. This little metal plate is like the ID card of your AC, showing stuff like model number, serial number, and power specs, which is super helpful if you're looking for replacement parts or calling in a pro. When checking your condenser outside, look close to the electrical box or where the wires come in. That's almost always where you'll spot the nameplate. Knowing what each part does helps too, like the compressor, which squeezes refrigerant to cool your air, or the fan that blows air through the coils to make sure your space gets nice and chilly. Don't forget the capacitor. It gives your motors the extra push they need to start up, and the expansion valve, which controls how much refrigerant goes into the evaporator coil. If you're ever unsure about what something does or where it is, just take a minute to Google your model number found on that nameplate to get a quick breakdown. Keeping track of these parts and their roles makes fixing common AC issues way less stressful, trust me. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with air conditioner parts is ignoring the nameplate info. Without it, you might end up buying the wrong replacement or messing up your system. The fix? Always locate that nameplate first before ordering anything or calling for help. Another common issue is not knowing what each part actually does, leading to wasted time and money trying random fixes. To avoid this, spend some time learning the basics of compressors, capacitors, coils, and fans, so you can spot what's wrong quicker. Lastly, folks often overlook regular maintenance like cleaning coils or checking electrical connections, which causes parts to wear out faster. Setting up a simple schedule for cleaning and inspections can save you a ton on repairs down the line. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the stress, making sure you get pros who know their stuff. For contractors, it's a solid way to get more work by connecting directly with people ready to fix or upgrade their homes.